It's very, very sharp.
It's like it's made for this.
That one, yeah. Yeah, whoppa.
Oi. Den kan sine greier, de her russerne.
Hey, Shuttle!
Hey Tim, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well, and you?
I'm perfect. I'm perfect.
Nice. Hello YouTube, and welcome to West Coast Bushcrafters. What do you got there?
I got a little surprise package from Russia.
Oi,
Yeah,
that sounds really exciting.
it is, I promise you. So this is what our episode today is gonna be about.
Alright, Shuttle,
All right.
it's time to open the package.
Yeah, it is.
Take a big knife.
Take the small knife now.
Oh.
Let's see what's in here.
Ah, they packed it really well.
And of course I'm gonna pick that one up later. So really,
Well, they did take some good care of
yeah.
packing valuable stuff in.
This is no joke. Let's see.
As you can see, we didn't open the package before.
No? Yeah, do you recognize this brand?
Never seen it before with my own eyes, but
Me neither.
what is it called?
It's the Beaverknife. Very nice. Nice package.
Yeah, it really is.
Well, let's open it.
Now it's only tennis balls.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, some stickers as well.
stickers. Perfect.
Ah, cool,
Nice.
cool.
Cool, 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 cool.
A little bit more plastic here.
Yes. I don't speak Russian, so I don't understand what what's it saying. I'm gonna put that one over there.
It looks nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Beaverknife Bushcraft
Yes.
from Russia.
From Russia.
Holy shit, there it comes.
Wow.
Fy fan.
It's very nice.
Holy shit.
Beaverknife custom.
Fucking hell.
Yeah. It's very nice.
Oh, I really like the color shit. Huh?
Yeah, it's very nice. Here, look at it.
It's much bigger than I expected actually.
Yeah, me too. Nice grip. Yeah, what you want to see?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, do that.
Oh, I really like what you made here with the fire in there.
Yeah.
Nice
Custom
pins.
made. Yeah, I ordered it like that.
Hefty cliff. Yeah, it's
yeah,
a beauty.
Very nice.
CPM3V.
Yeah, that's right. See here. I can't wait to check it out and test it.
Really cool.
Really cool. Very nice.
And what a holster.
Very nice sheet.
And even a fire steel with it.
Yeah, fire steel with it in the same colors.
Oh, that's
As you
cool.
all see. It's very nice. Nice sheet. Does it work? You can also,
You can click it off.
yes.
Oh, that's cool, a round one.
So it's very nice. So you can wear it this
So,
way
Yeah,
or
a dangler.
that way. Yeah, the dangler.
It's a Scandi grind.
Yeah, Scandi grind.
It's
at
big.
it. Yeah. I'm really happy with that one. It fits quite well in the hand.
I can imagine it's really controllable when you work for fire sticking.
Yeah.
It's quite a big blade, I have
Yeah.
to say. It looks quite high.
And it's a full tang. And I think it's 4 millimeters here.
Nice.
Yeah.
So it's for betoning.
Yeah, I think it's good.
It will split quite easy.
Yeah, I think so too. Huh? Perfect.
Yeah, cool, Shadow.
Yeah, cool.
I'm really looking forward to put it out on the field. Actually.
Yeah. So let's check it out. How this one works.
Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Yes. Thank you.
All right. I'm really curious to compare Sheto's knife with my knife.
What kind of knife do you have?
This is the Bark River Bushcrafter #1 and CPM crewware steel. I'm really huge fan of this knife. It's I purchased it in January this year. Used it a lot already, and I'm really happy. It fire sticks amazing.
Yeah.
And the handle is awesome. But
good.
what I think is so interesting to show is the blade of the Beaver knife is just huge.
Yeah.
It's a lot of metal. I really like that. And also with the handle, it's of course it's a little bit different than the white, but the length is very similar, I would say.
Yeah. And the handle.
Yeah, the handle is very
similar.
Yeah. Not the thickness, but the length of it.
Yes.
But I'm really impressed about how tall the knife is.
Yes.
It's a huge blade.
Huh.
I think it looks really cool.
Yeah, me too. And this beaver knife is called America 2.0. 2.0.
2.0.
That's the name of the knife.
What are we gonna test now?
How sharp it is from the factory.
Yeah, you got a piece of paper?
Thank you. Let's see. Oh Jesus! It's very sharp.
Ah, that looks good. And that's just from the factory.
Yeah.
Ah,
Check it out.
Really cool. That works.
It really works.
Yeah, really cool,
Yeah.
Shato.
Now we're gonna make some feather sticks.
Let's do that.
Yes. Hello?
Yeah. All right, Shato.
Okay.
First fire sticks.
First fire sticks. Oh, yeah, but. Ja, dette er min firestick-kniv I alle fall.
Oh, they go really nicely.
Yes, very nice. Very easy. Very easy.
Cool.
That's why I have the fire on the knife, because this is what I'm gonna use mostly this knife for.
Oh, that looks really good.
Oh, it's like it's made for this. And it's like cutting in butter.
Yeah, blast. Now I'm looking like a fucking amateur. After that one. Yeah. Whoppa.
Oi. Den kan sine greier, de her russerne. Det gikk jo fort.
Yeah, and the first scratch.
Ja.
Sometimes you need to get away of the coating, but
Yeah,
first time. Cool.
Cool.
Takk.
God.
right, Cheto.
Yeah?
What is the conclusion about the knife?
Well, I'm really happy about the knife. Really good quality. A really professional company. They all answer all the emails and everything. I'm actually so happy with the knife that we actually both ordered some more knives
Yes.
from Beaverknife.
So now the waiting game is starting.
Yeah,
It will take approximately 6 till 8 weeks before they manage to finish the knife.
yes.
So it will be that will be exciting.
Yeah. I'm really looking forward to testing the knives out.
That will be really cool.
Yeah, it will.
But I'm also really impressed. It's a really good fire sticker,
Yeah.
and I think you will enjoy that knife for a really long time.
Yeah, I'm that's for sure. It's a really good knife. Good product. Very good product. And well, now we tested a knife.
Yes.
What are we gonna do next, Tim?
Well, we have catched a really nice sea trout.
Yes?
It's the end of May at the moment, so the mackerel is swimming up to the west coast now.
Yeah.
So I think it's soon time to catch some.
Yeah.
And we still have our crab traps on shore.
Yeah.
So I think it's also time to throw them in the sea.
Yeah, we can do that.
So I would say a fishing trip.
Yeah. That's how we do it here on the west coast. We can do almost whatever we want.
Yeah.
So thank you, Sweden.
Thank you very much for
Thank
watching.
you.
See you
Bye-bye.
next time.